Always packed.
We're walking around San Augustine. We just had breakfast, came for a quick ride. This week is Daytona Bikeweek, so there's a lot of bikes around. The weather is beautiful, and enjoying the day and enjoying San Augustine.
Hey guys, we just finished breakfast. We're going to check out a few of the shops and then take the bikes out for a ride through some back roads. But before we head out, I wanted to show you a little bit of San Augustine. This is the oldest city in the continental United States. And right now we're walking through the Plaza de la Constitución. It is a really relaxing spot right in the middle of town, surrounded by Flagler College, the Casa Monica, and the museum. It is one of those places where you can just slow down, take a stroll, and really feel the history around you. San Augustine just has that kind of vibe. Very laid back, very walkable, and great place to spend the morning before getting back to the bikes. See you soon.
Hey guys, we're here at San Augustine. We're finding some cute little things, but she found something that's very cool. I would like you guys to hear it. Here you go.
I know, it's like a prayer room. You know, people actually write their prayers, and the people here actually, pray for whatever is being asked, whatever worries the people, and I love what it says, that the power of the prayer is in the one who hears, and it is not in the one who says it. So that is pretty cool. So I'm definitely gonna write something.
So we're gonna write something, but very cool place, really downtown San Augustine, right in the middle of the park, front of the park. See you guys around. ¿Dónde te molesta?
Aquí, ¿te das cuenta? Está rojo.
¿Será esto?
Sí.
Okay.
Oh my God, eso odio.
Ya.
Es que es como un velcro.
No, tú ves el red tab.
Es esto. Oh
Yeah,
my
el red
God.
tab. Yeah. Yo te lo puse así para que vaya para afuera y no para adentro. Todo, lo tenías para adentro.